At present, Zio's cost is exchanging around $7713, which is practically 2% up from the last week. What's more, in the beyond 24 hours, DGB has figured out how to acquire practically 3%. In the midst of the negative feeling, Zio has been dropping starting from the start of 2024. In any case, the Zio coin holds the possibility to go up and raise a ruckus around town mark by 2025. In the event that you are searching for Zio network cost expectation, our top-to-bottom examination plans to respond to your inquiries like, what is Zio coin? For what reason is Zio dropping? Is Zio coin a wise venture? Before we start with itemized Zio cost expectation, we should jump into the coin's outline. The XY Profit Organization, otherwise called Zio Organization, is a gadget gathering and approving geospatial information or data that has topographical parts. Area guides are utilized related to the web of things and cell phones to accomplish this. Approving geospatial information is a significant piece of the convention. How about we check the Zio cost forecast made sense of here exhaustively? The trustless cryptographic area network gives layered area confirmation across gadget classes and conventions. Another cryptographic component called confirmation of beginning and bound observer is joined with blockchain innovation and true area-based information assortment to frame Zio organization. Zio stands to make trustless, decentralized frameworks or area profits. Zio digital currency permits engineers of the Shrewd Agreement and blockchain framework to interface with the actual world like a programming interface. The framework attempts to give definite subtleties the assistance of a bunch of deliberations. This arrangement of deliberations diminished the dangers of area mocking through a chain of zero information evidences. The people group of Zio digital currency was laid out in 2017. XY Labs is the group behind the XY organization. The designers expect to teach the world about the benefits of an impetus-driven geospatial area organization. Zio is the local cryptographic money of the Zio organization. This organization is administered by its local virtual cash. It is an Ethereum-based ERC20 token. Zio currency gives shared motivations in each phase of exact material assortment. It very well may be viewed as need might have arisen to communicate with this present reality to confirm XY organizers. Clients need to hold adequate Zio tokens to place a question in the organization. A piece of the gas expense will be paid to all parts engaged with the assortment and offering legitimate responses. Geo-mining application permits clients to effectively mine Zio cryptographic money on cell phones. Every one of the utility cases are given by Zio utility tokens. The symbolic deal was on 20 Walk 2018 with 100,000 tokens. As to token dispersion, 40% was dispensed for environment development and advertising, 35% for designing and research and development, 15% for profit network stage use, 5% herd, and 5% for supporting Ethereum stage projects. Zio Specialized Investigation. In view of the most recent news, most digital currency costs are exchanging with forward movement in the midst of moderate shortcoming. The high unpredictability brought about the behemoths like Ethereum and Bitcoin plunging for the ongoing exchanging meeting. To peruse more exhaustively about other digital currencies, nitty-gritty data by the specialists is generally prudent prior to putting resources into any coin. Zio's cost today is exchanging at $, with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $373,617. The complete market cap is $52,156,880, with a flowing stock of 12,844,821,266 Zio. The authentic information highlight an unsurpassed high at $223 on 6 November 2021, and everything time low is noted at $967, which was on 13 Walk 2020. Taking a gander at the previous year's exhibition of the Zio cost diagram, a descending excursion of the Zio coin has started from November 2021 onwards. Beginning from December 2021, the cost of Zio showed a negative sign, and Zio's cost has dropped to half of its most exorbitant cost, and the breakdown can't track down help at any level. The worldwide cynicism can likewise be a justification for the dive of the ongoing exchanging meeting. In the wake of taking a gander at the significant help and opposition levels at the ongoing cost, quick obstruction is put at $0.77, and any ascent from this level can take Zio cost to the opposition level at $0.88. Bulls might look for an open door over this, and significant opposition is put above $11. Over this level, financial backers can imagine the Zio coin as a drawn-out venture choice. The apprehension about monetary shakiness or macroeconomic danger didn't prevent the digital money market from coming to the front. Notwithstanding this new resource class high gamble and unpredictability, financial backers are wagering on coins as long as possible. The cost of ZIO is subject to the fundamental utility of the ZIO coin name framework, environment, and market feelings. Taking a gander at the opposite side of bringing in cash in computerized resources, it is an extreme column to know the future course, so it is smarter to look for legitimate and wise speculation guidance prior to settling on monetary choices in crypto, which will assist with purchasing or sell ZIO. We should peruse more about the ZIO cost expectation for the eventual fate of ZIO crypto for the following 5 years. ZIO Coin Value Forecast 2024. According to Specialized Examination and ZIO Gauge, the cost of ZIO might reach $0.1195 in the principal quarter. According to the ZIO Coin estimate, the ZIO cost might cross a normal cost of $0.145 continuously's end. The greatest value level could hit $0.169. The base value level of ZIO coin may be around $691 according to the ZIO cost expectation. ZIO Value Forecast 2025. ZIO Coin Value Forecast and Specialized Examination have expected an opening at $152. ZIO cost might exchange towards $182 toward the finish of 2025. To summarize ZIO coin cost expectation for 2025, the base and greatest costs will be around $166 and $198 individually. ZIO will be a wise speculation choice for the long haul according to ZIO Value Forecast 2026. As indicated by the ZIO gauge, the future cost of ZIO will be very appealing since the possibilities of the cost going up are higher than cost rectification in view of the ongoing cost patterns. The most extreme cost is anticipated to reach by 2026 is $0.279, while the base cost might reach $228. Consistently, the typical cost of ZIO is anticipated to be $22535, according to our ZIO future cost expectation. ZIO Crypto Value Expectation 2027. The cost gauge all through the year 2027 is exceptionally bullish, and the most extreme cost anticipated is $0.346, and the base cost for the year is $0.298. In light of the ZIO cost expectation for 2027 and our examination, the typical cost is around $322. ZIO Organization Value Forecast 2028. In 2028, the value development of ZIO tokens may be slow contrasted with the earlier year, and the cost is supposed to exchange between the scope of $368 to $42 according to our ZIO crypto cost expectation for 2028. The typical cost will drift around $394. ZIO Coin Value Forecast 2029. In view of our ZIO cost forecast, there is plausible that ZIO can get through the $0.35 obstruction and hold the market toward the finish of 2029. The least ZIO cost will be around $524, while the greatest value level may be at $581, and the most probable ZIO cost will be consistent at